Welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to change a video dimension in Capcut PC. This process is really simple. Once again, we're going to be using one of these clips. For instance, maybe we want to use this. Let's use this. So I'm going to bring it into the timeline. As you can see, we have it in the timeline. The next thing you want to do is to hit on ratio. Okay, you can see where it says ratio. You hit on that, and from here you can change it to whatever you want. It's currently original. You can make it 6:9. 16:9 is the original, right? You can make it 4 by, as you can see, made it 4:3, and you can increase the image just to ensure it covers this full border. But if you're okay with the border, you just need to change the ratio of the video, then this is how to do it. This is the process of doing it the simple way, changing the dimension of your video. So we can just go through some other dimensions. As you can see, like I said, this is a better way of doing this. Once, for instance, if you make it a 2:35 and you increase it like this, you can just move it down, okay, so that it fits perfectly just like this, and you have your dimension that way. You can also change it to every other dimension we have here. It's totally up to you what you want, but this is the simple way of changing ratio, changing dimension. And if you need one for your reels and your TikTok, your Instagram reels, your YouTube shorts, this is the one you want to click on, the 9.16. okay, so now you have 9.16. you can just position that in the middle, okay. And now that we have that position in the middle, you can just scroll down on your video, then basics, just to fill in this black background. That's what I want to show you. And you scroll down to where it says auto framing, no motion blur, okay, yeah, Canva. Okay, where it says Canva, you can just see it says none. You can click on that and you can just just make it blur. Okay, so it's totally up to you. You can make the Canva blur like this. So you see it added that extra frame at the top and bottom. If you want it darker, that's what you get. So now if you just play this video, this is what you have. So you have your YouTube reel, then you have it playing in the background. It's super easy, super simple to do, not complicated. This is how to change your dimension or ratio of your video in Capcut PC. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.